What's up guys, I'm Alan, and today we're checking out the Mubview Smart Video Doorbell. Full disclosure that I received this for free to review. It normally retails for about $80, but there's a coupon on Amazon right now that brings it down to $54. I'm going to have this listed down in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Let's go ahead and jump into the review. In the box, you'll find the user's manual, which I used quite a bit during setup, a contact card in case you need to reach out for support. Then we have the camera, which was a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. Here we have the chime for the doorbell. It includes AAA batteries and mounting hardware. It also comes with a micro USB to USB-A charging cable. It doesn't include a charger, but is compatible with DC 5-volt 1 amp to 2 amp chargers. I just used the wall adapter for my iPad to charge it. You'll also find adhesive strips inside the box that you can use to install the camera if you don't want to use the screws. Lastly, that little metal piece is used to unlock the camera from the mounting bracket. I'll demonstrate this here so you can see it in action. Installation is pretty simple and only took a few minutes. The camera has a mounting bracket. They suggest to put it about 4 feet off the ground. Again, you can either use the adhesive strips or the included screws, depending on your preference. The speaker doesn't have any holes for mounting, so I just use the adhesive strips for this. The Mubview app can be used to view the doorbell camera. It's available for Android and iOS. There is a free 7-day trial of cloud storage. After the trial is over, it is $3.99 per month. If you don't want another monthly subscription, you can insert a micro SD card into the camera to store videos, and you can access these videos from your phone at any time, so that's pretty sweet. So the cloud storage option is the most secure way to go. That way if your camera goes missing, you still have your files backed up. Of course, you can view the camera live anytime, and it's also activated by motion. Whenever the camera detects motion, it will begin recording. You can choose between power saving mode, performance mode, or set up your own custom mode. Each of these settings will determine how long the camera records after motion is detected. You can also adjust the motion detection sensitivity. I have chickens and they were setting this thing off like every few minutes at first, but this setting allowed me to correct that. You can also adjust the area that you want the camera to detect motion in, and viewing recordings is super simple. You can choose which date you want to view, and then it will list recordings for that day. This makes it really easy to glance through the events quickly. Also, another quick note is that the camera only works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and not 5 gigahertz. In the app, you can take screenshots, use the intercom, change the sound, record, adjust motion detection settings, and turn on a siren to scare away intruders. Let's talk briefly about the features of the included speaker, or chime as they refer to it in the user's manual. You can choose between 4 different chime sounds and they're all good. I won't play them because some of them are actually songs that may be copyrighted. You can also adjust the volume from 80 decibels at the lowest setting to 110 decibels at the highest setting. My house is pretty small, but it's been plenty loud for us. That's pretty much it for the chime. It's very straightforward. Overall, I'm definitely a fan of this smart video doorbell. It's nice to know like when a package is delivered at my house. It's a good deterrent for package thieves. It's also just a nice doorbell. It works really well, just as a normal doorbell as well. Installation was really easy and the app is super easy to use. Don't forget guys, I just listed down in the description if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Huge thanks to Mubview for sending this camera to me. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.